Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. As I've always said, if you're new to the channel, if you're just coming across this video, my channel for the first time, don't forget to click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share this video because it will be very helpful to everyone. So this video is actually not crypto or arbitrage related, but I just noticed I came across it on someone's profile. I wish I can give credit to the person because I don't really know the guy's name, so I would have given him the credit. But I just noticed it's very important, that's why I had to post it as well. So it's just some security tips due to the security challenges we've been having in the country. So I just want us to actually also have this thing on our phone, so that anytime we're in security, we have any security issue, you can just do that similar thing. So what you need to do now is just to go to your settings. I'm using a Redmi phone. It might be different on your own phone. So but most phones, almost every Android phones I know, is almost same thing. Is mostly go to security settings. Once you go to settings, go to security settings. So for Redmi, it's password and security. Then go to emergency SOS. You can see mine is turned on. For Samsung, it might show you power SOS, power key SOS. So you click on power key SOS, and other phones you just see something SOS. So once you see it, it means that's what you need to check up on. So right now, you see this is how it will be if you're here to turn it on. So after you turn it on, so once you turn it on, it will come up with these options. You see emergency contacts. You can add just 3 contacts. So I will advise you to add 3 responsive numbers, people that you know that once they get the message, they are this kind of people that respond, that take note of messages as soon as it drops in their phone. Or maybe try, if you have a relative that is a security personnel or something, so you can also add that person, so that maybe security personnel, your close relative, and maybe your close friend that you know that is very active as well with their phones. It must not necessarily be someone that use Android phone. Even if they don't use Android phone, the message will go to them as text message. The only thing is just that they might not be able to view the location you are. But when they use Android phone, they'll be able, once they get the message and they click on the URL on the message, it will show them the location where you are. And after every seconds, after every few minutes, it will be sent. As you keep moving in the hands of these people, God forbid, we are not praying for anybody to be kidnapped or something, but if it happens, once you are moving, your phone will keep sending the new location you have from time to time. From time to time, it will keep sending, it will keep updating them, the 3 contacts you added, the location where you are at that moment. So once you move to another location, maybe after 5 minutes, it will send them another text to show them the location where you are at the moment. So which will help in helping them track you down, so that they can know how to get to rescue you. So I'm not actually praying for anything bad to happen to anyone, but it's just that it's good to have these security tips. So that's what you do. So to make this thing happen, if you are in such kind of situation, all you need to do, you can see they say rapidly press the power button 5 times to send a text message with your location to your emergency contact. So you just tap your power button, as you can see it on the video screen, that blue sign on the phone sign. You just tap it, the power button, tap it like 5 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5. It will take you there. So once you click on that, it will just take you there. It will show you, it will pop up, then you say send. So once you send, all the contacts will receive it, and after then they will be receiving it automatically. You don't need to press it anymore. So they will keep receiving the new update of your new location as things move. So if you're when you get to this emergency SOS on your own phone, make sure you read the amount of time. I know most phone is either 4 times or 5 times, so it's not always more than that. It's either 4 or 5. So just take note of that. So once you take note of yours and you see that, so please make sure you enable it, so that anytime you are in form of any danger or something, so you can just use that. It might seem like something not very serious or something, but this can go a long way to actually help each and every one of us when we are in danger. So we are praying not to be in danger, but just to be at a very, very alert side. So that's why I'm making this video. So don't forget to share with your family and friends, because this video can actually go a long way to help each and every one of us when we find ourselves in such situation. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Don't also forget to like the video. If you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and also turn on notifications so that you can always receive alerts for my new videos. Thank you, guys. I love you all. More updates to come.